of Old Apple See John. Exercises. This is the last lesson of this read now. Now let's start. Exercises. First, there are some colors. Now you have to find the colors of these fruits. Yellow, red, green, orange, brown. What colors are these fruits when they ripe, when they are ready to eat, when they are very fresh? They are not rotten. Pear, banana, limes, strawberries and oranges. So now over here also you have got less space. So what are you going to do? We have got a space on the next page. On first we have to take on page 100. We are on page 100 and page 101 we have got space over here. So we are going to write over here answer number, question number 1 and answer number 1. Pears, they will be yellow. Bananas, yellow. Make these two columns and write the fruits over here and write the colors. Lime, green. Strawberries, red. Oranges, it's natural. Oranges are always in orange color. Okay. Now come to exercise number 2. Give the opposites of the words in red. The words which are written in red, you're also going to write them in red. So if you have got your red pencil, red color, you can use this. The opposites of red in red. The night was cold and wet. What you will write? Night, you will write day. Was cold, you will write hot, comma. And for wet, you will write dry. Got it? Easy? So like that, when you make a line, you can easily write over here and no dirty work, neat and tidy. Number B. The giant was tall and fat. What you will write for giant? Dwarf. DWARF. Comma. The red ones you're going to write in red again. The giant was tall. The dwarf was tall. Opposite will be short. SHORT. And fat. For fat you will write thin. Number C. The question was long and difficult. Now here I've got very less space. So I'm going to make a line a little bit down. Like that. So that I can easily give the answer. Like that. Okay. Now the question. For question you will write answer, comma, was long, short. And for difficult you will write the answer was short and easy. Opposite of difficult will be easy. Easy now? All have done? Come on, now let's come to question number 3. Exercise number 3. Put there is or there are in the spaces. There is used for singular and there are will be used for I cannot hear plurals. Okay. Now number A. Dash a big pond on the farm. Dash a big pond on the farm. There is, because they sing means it's singular. There is a big pond on the farm. B. On the desk dash some papers. So here it is plural. Papers is plural, right? So we'll write they on the desk there are some papers. C. Near the road dash a forest. Near the road, again it is a singular word, so there is a forest. D. Dash 7 days in a week. Again we are talking about plurals there. When you always start a letter, a sentence, anything, you always start with a capital letter. Here you can see I have written T in capital, and in the middle I always write with the small letter. There are 7 days in a week. All have done. So with this we finish all our bookwork of your read now lessons, comprehension lessons. So here we finish our work, and let's come to our homework for tomorrow. So what you have to do, you have to finish your work very nicely, neat work, and do your homework also for tomorrow, as we are going to meet in the school, inshallah, and I will check your work in the school. Okay, let's come to our homework. I have made your homework ready. See these questions of question number 4. How should you should be able to answer these questions? Okay, now these answers you're going to question answers you're going to write in your English homework copies, and you don't have to send me in the group, because day after we are going to meet in the school, and I will check your work in the school. So what is your full name? You all know your full names. Many children don't know their full names. Okay, they only know their first name. You are going to write your full name. What is your full name? Number 2, where do you stay? Only you have to write where you stay, your city or your area where you stay. Okay. Number 3, how old are you? Your date, your age. Number 4, when is your birthday? Only your date of birth and your year. 5, what color are your eyes? You won't have to only write your color of the eyes. What is your telephone number? Only write your mom's mobile number or your dad's mobile number. How many brothers and sisters do you have? Name them. If you don't have any brother or sister, you can just write none over here, okay? Like that. Then, what is the name of your school? You should all know the spellings of your school also, okay? Learn the spellings and then just write them. Then come to the last question. Number 9. Now, where would you like to go on holidays? For example, any child who wants to go, you want to go for the hilly areas, or you want to go to your grandparents' house, your cousin's house, your auntie's house, just write over here the name and why you want to go. You can write we enjoy a lot. This is your homework for tomorrow, and I want you all to do your work very neatly and nicely and send it to me on my mobile number, on my personal number, or else inshallah I will meet in the school and I will check it in the class. With this, our class is over. Take care of yourself, inshallah.